It's not here. Be Kuruma. Yukin. Loom. Gift. Peace. Fear. Not. I've been waiting a long time for... I wish I remember I once... And you? Then we... I do not know, but walk with... I remember arriving on the shores of Avalon. That was the beginning of everything. But there were doubts and questions. How does it feel to leave your homeland behind? To keep moving forward, even though every step takes you into the unknown? The Four Dwellers quickly made it clear to us. If we wanted to call this place home, we'd have to fight for it, down to the last drop of blood. In the end, we won the war. Merlin stole the sacred flame of the Four Dwellers and ignited the menhirs, driving away the mist and clearing the nights of weirdness. It was the first time we uncovered the secrets hidden within the menhirs. Still, the land of Avalon honored our toil. It soaked up our sweat, our suffering, and our blood. In time, it rewarded us. Here in Avalon, we were given the chance to create great things. Camelot, the eternal castle, the capital of all humankind, was meant to be a symbol of that. We left the homelands to survive. The plague had consumed everything we once knew. We thought we'd escaped it, but the Red Death returned like a specter to haunt us. Once again, it began to devour our home.
am his hunger, the I am the price paid.
Yes, I can see. I've dreamt of countless. Yes, it's time. I am Arthur Pendragon. I led humans to Avalon. Thank you for bringing me here. I appreciate it. But now, we need to make... I trust you'll accompany me. Or would you... Trust me. I remember death. Ages upon ages of salt. Perhaps in... I am not sure. It seems to be a place located between light. But why was it created? But that's enough. After years, I must... What is happening? No! I see now. You have only freed a part of me. I'm not strong for now. I will have to journey by your side. I'll see the world through your eyes. You are a surprising acquaintance, and since it seems that fate has bound us together, let us make the best of it. Seeing my legacy through the eyes of another, a true picture of Avalon, not one crafted Oh, what an adventure this will be.